Hello there, this is going to be a real unboxing of the Blu G9 Pro. That's right, the Blu G9 Pro in 2021. So this phone came out in August of 2019 at a retail price of $250. And then they had a short sale for $200, introductory price of $200. And now in 2021, it's going for $149.99. So there you go, $150. And it's a steal. This phone has got $600 phone specs, and it's got everything I want. Especially, it's got the ability to do wireless charging, which I've not seen any other phone under $1,000 that does wireless charging. So anyway, this is a real unboxing, as I say. I have not opened this box. So many of the other reviews call them unboxing, but they're not really unboxings. They've already set the phone up. This is the first time any human eyes have seen this phone. Only robots have seen it. So this box came from Amazon really fast. Took like a day. So, and there it is. Got some big pillows here protecting the box, and it's all plastic wrap. See that? You look at the other unboxing videos, theirs is already open. So that's what it looks like, and it's plastic. And these are not dolphins, as some people have said. These are sharks. They have fins. So there's all the specs on it. Let's see on the back here. Here we go. Let's go over the specs. Let me let's get something here. Alrighty, let's read the specs. Let's get a good angle here. Okay. 6.3 inch, full HD, infinity display. So we got Corning Gorilla Glass 3, MediaTek Helio P60, octa-core, that's 8 cores, 2.0 gigahertz processor, 64-bit operating system, so with AI technology. That's mostly to do with the camera. So 128 gigabyte internal memory, which is fantastic, and triple 48 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle, 120 degrees, super pixel 108 megapixel super zoom, 16 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint sensor, micro SD up to 128 gigabytes. That's if you add one. Super now, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 18 watt, ultra quick and wireless charging. The wireless charging is at 10 watts. 4G LTE, high speed data, Android 10. Well, that's interesting. It actually says Android 10 on here now, because originally it came with Android 9. So isn't that cool? So I don't have to do a great big giant upgrade on this puppy. Premium glass battery cover design. Okay, so let's open her up for real. Like I say, all these other reviewers, not to cast aspersions, but they were all, they're all professional reviewers. Let's face it. And they got sent this phone for free. I had to pay for it, because I'm not getting paid by anybody. This. I want to see if the color is really as stupendous as it is online. If this has a manufacturing date on it. Man, I'd have to have a magnifying glass to read that. That's tiny print. Woo! All right. From Miami. Right here, it says here, from Miami with love. Isn't that sweet? Here's all the different sides of the box. Here's the back again and the top. So this is actually sealed up. Again, never opened. All right, there's one. There's two. Genuine Swiss Army knife. No fakes. All right, nice box. And there's the phone right there. It's got a tab you grab a hold of. Pull it out of there. Ooh, it feels good. It's big. This is by far the biggest phone I've ever owned. My current phone is a ZTE Axon 7. Bought it 4 years ago. It's been a great phone. Probably going to keep it because it has a fantastic music player. So, but this will be my daily driver, especially since I'm going to be doing a separate video of my of the wireless charging in my Toyota Prius Prime, which has got a wireless charging dock. So I'm really excited about being able to use that. All right, so this has got all kinds of plastic all over it. It's taped on the back here. Pull that up. Come on. And there it is. Woo! That is beautiful. Wow. That is really something. Wow. I've never had a phone with a glass back before, so that's outstanding. Okay, let's pull this thing off of here. And let's go ahead and give it a first boot. See if it's got any charge in it. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right. Look at that purple blue. Blue smartphone. It's powered by Android. And see, it's got the new Android logo, which is just the robot head. Alright, so this is you got your emergency call, you got vision settings, and you got start. So let's hit start. Connect to a mobile network. So I don't have my SIM card with me, so I'm not going to do that right now. And it looks like that's as far as I can go. The battery is almost fully charged, as you can see right here. So I'll have to, oh, it says skip. Alright, good. I agree to all this bullshit. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. I've read all these, yes. I've consulted my lawyer. He said you're screwed. Okay, so next. And let's go to, let's just pick one. And now I get to put my password in, which I'm not going to do in front of the camera. Great tactile feedback on the keyboard. All right, connecting. Yeah, I'm amazed the battery is nearly full. Installing, checking for updates, installing updates. Copy apps and data. I'm not going to do that right now. Don't copy. So I'm not going to load all the same junk onto this phone that I had on my old phone. Alright, so now I got to put this part in. Okay, continuing with my unboxing of the Blu G9 Pro. So I ripped apart the box and got all the stuff inside here. This is a screen protector down in the bottom there, and comes with this USB Type-C to USB Type-A. Really nice cable, heavy duty. So, and this is the charging brick right here that it comes with. 18 watts, SIM ejection tool, which you see was in this little plastic thingy right here. It was almost impossible to open. And then comes with this little sticker of more sharks. If you want to go crazy with stickers. User guides, of course. And the headphones are here, which I'll be trying those out. And I can successfully report that this phone does in fact work with my Toyota Prius Prime. Yeah, I put it on the charging base, it loaded right up, started charging it. It goes to an amber light on my car, which means it's charging. So yeah, that's pretty awesome that I can now just drop my phone into the little cradle that's in the car without any kind of cords or anything like that. So I'm really pleased with that. So I set up the face recognition on this puppy, so it works just fine. You can see I'm doing the updates right now, all kinds of Google updates and stuff like that. So there's tons of stuff to do to set up a new phone. And anyhow, that's it for now. Like I say, I'm going to do a separate video showing the phone in the car to show you that it does in fact work. And not super fast. It was at 70%, then it took about 5 minutes to go to 71%, and then another 5%, another 5 minutes to go to 72%, so not super fast. But it does the job, and mostly the best thing is it's maintaining the voltage. Even though the phone is on, it's not losing any power, at least. It's slowly charging, but it's also keeping everything going. So anyhow, that's it for my unboxing and mini review. Now I'll be talking about it later. Oh, I didn't even show you this yet. So this is the new case that it comes with. It's a really heavy, rugged case that the Blu case comes with it now. It isn't that clear plastic case anymore that it came with the previous, older. If you were one of the early adopters, you got the cheap plastic case. Now you get this heavy duty carbon. It feels like carbon fiber. It really does feel like carbon fiber, which is what this is. This is a carbon fiber case that I had on my old phone. So, and it's certainly done its job. So this really is a nice case. I've never seen a phone that it came with this kind of case. And I'll be reporting on also. I'll do a separate review of the cameras and all that jazz too. So see how they work out. I'm pretty stoked about those. So these cameras are really high quality. This one in the front here is a Samsung 24 megapixel. These outer ones here are Sony. This is a 16 megapixel Sony, and this is I can't remember. And then this is the depth one. This is Samsung. So you got two Sony and two Samsung cameras. That's pretty awesome. Really, I can't imagine how they did all this for 150 bucks. I still made money, but hey, that's the beauty of buying technology when it isn't the latest thing. You get a tremendous value, and you still get the fabulous stuff. And like I said, this actually came with Android 10 pre-installed, so I didn't have to do any updates to get to that point. So do the face thing here, and it loads right up. I love that feature. So, alrighty, that's it for this video. Bye.